Okay guys, I'm doing glitches with Ratchet and Clank. I'm in Planet Aquatos. I started the challenge mode. So I'm read Ratchet first, and I found a cool glitch. So if you jump through there, double jump, hit square, double jump, hit square again, turn into a terrorgeist, and then turn back, jump up there, turn terrorgeist, and turn back, jump up there, and turn quickly and terrorgeist on top of this. Yeah. To get out, just jump down. Really boring glitch. Whatever. Okay, next one. This is a very interesting glitch. Now, if you stand right to this wall, change back, double jump, you stand on something, double jump from that, hit square, and turn terrorgeist, you're in a sidewalk. Pretty odd. This whole place is gray. I guess in other planets it's black, but in Aquato it's kind of weird. Yeah, and you skip all of here, and this is the quicker way to beat the game. Yeah, talk with a tier guy, or whatever, if you want to try it out. Okay, last glitch with Ratchet. Stand right to this lamp thing, change back, and then jump, and then keep holding there, and quickly turn Terror Guy, change back, double jump or hit square, Terror Guy. Now this is the hard part. You should get on it. Sometimes it will fall off really easily. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Turn back, double jump, you will hang, and now you're here, on top of the level. But this is pretty boring right there. Oh crap. Now I'm gonna do some glitches with Clank. Yep, that's all of Ratchet. So let's move on to Clank. Great. Okay, I'm here with Clank. You see that pole thing? It's kind of glitchy. If you stand on it, will slide you off. But now, walk thing, I can't talk about it. Yeah, you can glide on that. It will be glitchy. Yeah, even a creature. Yeah, he found that glitches. Okay, next is really weird. This is kind of difficult. If you jump up there, you glide for that, and it will walk off. You can glide across that. You can skip the laser part. You can just glide across this, or you can glide across this and jump over, and now you're here. Let him die. Oh, poor Clank. Yippee. Okay, another glitch, that the banana is floating in midair. Yeah, I discovered it. But people think they discovered it too, but me too. If Scorch get the banana, kick him, and the banana will floating in midair. Very funny glitch. Yeah. Look. Floating banana. Yeah, this is a really funny glitch. Floating banana. This is a pretty funny glitch. See? Floating in midair. Yeah, shoot a banana over there, and you can't. Scorch can't get it, but you can. Oh, it disappeared. Also, there's a weird thing, just like this. You got into. I'm gonna show you the monkey dance glitch. The monkey dance. Okay, I'm here with the monkey dance. Bum ba ba. Just do my thing. Shoot and oh crap. You will dance.